Hi, Frank. It's Mrs. Cerami. Okay, I'm looking at your work and I'm going to try to explain your errors according to your work. All right, so I'm not sure if I could write on this. Let's see. All right, cool. All right, so right here is your quadratic equation. And I like that you wrote out the formula. That's great. So you did negative b, which is good, plus or minus b squared. That was right. Minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, where you made an arithmetic mistake right here. Negative 2 squared. Whenever you substitute, you want to use parentheses. So it should look like negative 2 squared, the quantity. So it should be a positive 4. You came up with a negative 4, which threw it all off. If we look here, again, negative b, that was right. Plus or minus b squared, you did the same thing again here. B for this guy equals negative 1. B squared is going to equal negative 1 squared, which is positive 1. So again, you have to use parentheses. So that's your mistake there too. Mistake there. Here, let's see if you made a mistake here. So negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac. So 16 minus 24, negative 8. And okay, so here you made an error. Let's see where. So you got the answer, but I'm not sure how you jump from one step to the other without showing the work. On the test, I would work, because when we get back, you're having a test on these same exact problems, except different numbers. So you want to simplify inside here. So it would be 2i root 2. You said you knew what imaginary was. Imaginary is negative 8. That's going to be all over 4. Divide each 3 pieces by 2, and you get negative 2 plus or minus I root 2 over 2. I see, I wouldn't have been able to see that without doing the work. I'm not quite sure how you did that. So that's the errors that I'm seeing to go through this homework. So again, negative b, you did a good job rearranging it. So negative b, so b is, in this case, b is negative 2. So negative b, this should be a positive 2 here. And then again, b squared, this should be a positive 4. B squared equals 4. So those are the errors there. So I hope this video helps. If you have any more questions, feel free to email me. I suggest that you take out your textbook and you do some of these in your textbook. You could look at this section and chapter up online. Do 1 or 2. Check the answer in the back. Do odd. And then if you have any questions, message me your work. Have a good day.